welcome to Walk with M-. We're thrilled to have you here today with us. Today we are going to visit Galata Bridge. Galata Bridge is a bascule bridge that spans the Golden Horn in Istanbul. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in Istanbul and is a popular tourist destination. The bridge is 490 meters long and 33 meters wide. And it has 2 lanes for vehicles and 1 walkway for pedestrians. Galata Bridge was first built in the 14th century. The bridge is a vital transportation link between the Karaköy and Eminönü districts of Istanbul. And it is also a popular spot for fishing, sightseeing, and photography. At night, Galata Bridge is lit up with lights, and it is a particularly beautiful sight. The bridge is also a popular spot for New Year's Eve celebrations. And it has been rebuilt several times since then. The current bridge was built in 1994. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content. Your support keeps me going. Thank you once again for watching, and I look forward seeing you in my next video.